Welcome to telaHosting. How to reset DNS zone to default in cPanel. Sometimes DNS records can get misconfigured and become messy, maybe because you've added too many records causing your website or email to stop working properly. If this happens, one of the quickest ways to fix things is by resetting your DNS zone to default. What does reset DNS zone to default mean? When you reset your DNS zone, cPanel removes all your custom DNS configurations and restores the default records created by your hosting account. These default DNS records include default A records, default MS records, default CNAME records. In simpler terms, your domain returns to the exact DNS setup it had when you first hosted it. This is useful when things are broken and you just want to start afresh. Resetting DNS records will remove all custom DNS entries, including custom A records, Google Workspace records, Microsoft 365 records, custom email service MX records, and so on. So before resetting, ask yourself, do I need to save any DNS values first? If yes, copy them somewhere safe, and once you're ready, you begin. In this video, I'll show you how to safely reset your DNS zone to default in cPanel. The first thing you're going to do is to log into your cPanel account. Once inside cPanel, scroll down to the domain section and click Zone Editor. Locate the domain you want to reset and click Manage to view all your DNS records. Locate the Action menu and click on Reset DNS Zone. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Continue. Make sure you want to proceed because this will remove all custom DNS records and restore the default hosting records. After confirmation, cPanel will now remove all custom DNS records, rebuild the default DNS zone, and generate new default records based on telaHosting server configuration. This usually takes a few seconds. Once the reset is complete, double check your DNS records to ensure everything looks correct. If you had any custom records like third-party email or verification records, you will need to re-add them manually. After resetting, DNS changes need time to apply globally, usually 5 minutes to 24 hours, and that's it. You've reset your DNS zone to default. And doing this in cPanel is one of the fastest and easiest way to fix broken DNS settings. So if your website is down, email isn't working, or you simply want a clean start, this one button reset can save you hours of frustration. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more web hosting tutorials. See you in the next video.